You saw the clean break and retest. Entry was clear. Then hesitation hit. You closed early and missed the full move to target. You missed your plan. Emotion took over. On Eurist H4, clean support. Trader A risks 1% and follows rules. Trader A risks 1%, walks away, wins 80 points. Trader B risks 10%, panics on pullback despite same setup. Nothing changed in trade, but Trader 2 gets anxious, checks phone, tight jaw, and moves stop on pullback. Remains. After 30 minutes of stress, Trader B closes early for plus 5 pips instead of plus 80. Same setup, only risk size changed. Here, advice says be disciplined, journal, meditate. But in live trading, big size breaks discipline. Pressure overrides control. Beyond a risk threshold, control shifts. Brain has planning mode for rules, but stress triggers override mode that breaks them. Survival mode takes over. Fast, reactive, wrong for trading. The override threshold is when this instinct beats logic. At a certain size, brain shifts to survival mode. Below it, you follow rules. Above it, instincts take over and ignore plan. Survival mode feels rational, not panic. Everyone has a risk threshold. Cross it and logic fades. You're no longer trading. Backtest showed 62% wins over 8 months, but live trading dropped to 31% across 93 trades. Same system, very different results. Entries weren't wrong, just late. Oversized positions skewed results. It wasn't focus, but risk sizing. Setup was clean. Enter on candle close, no hesitation. Proper size equals instant action. Oversized risk triggers doubt and delay. Doubt delays entry. Candle closes, I miss it. Then I chase 20 pips worse. Same stop, worse risk reward. Doubt delays entry. Candle closes, I miss it. Then I chase 20 pips worse. Same stop, worse risk reward. Cut size until entry is automatic. No voice, no pause. Next test comes after entry, when price pushes back quietly. Real money adds pressure as price nears stop. At proper size, it's just a decision, not emotion. At proper size, it's a check, hold, or exit. Oversized risk turns it into fear, leading to moving stops and bigger losses. I still believe feels rational, but it's fear. The survival brain justifies a bad trade long after the decision was made. A 20-pip risk became 140. Not bad levels. Oversized risk turned fear into a story, and the story moved the stop. Urge to widen stops equals size too big before entry. Not placement, sizing. That's your second rule. Subtler signs follow. Feels like skill, not fear, costly illusion. Gold H4 uptrend, clean break, valid retest. Entry there, stop below retest. At normal size, plus 50 pips is routine. At double size, it feels like yours, tempting early exit despite a 1 minute and 3.6 second setup. Voice says lock profit, so you exit at plus 51. Price hits plus 180. Fear posing as skill cuts winners short. Profit shouldn't feel guarded. First 3 masks occur in trade. This one hits after I blew my account in one fast session. One valid $50 loss felt huge. Stop worked. Emotion took over. Only thought was getting the money back. After a loss, I rushed to 1M charts, doubled size to recover. Quick stop out turned $50 into $150 revenge loss. Chase speed, ignored structure, revenge traded, refused to exit and blew the account. This mask is different. Hesitation, stop moves, early exits occur in trade. Revenge hits after, when charts clean, but mind isn't disguised as control. Revenge feels like drive, not fear, but it's not resilience. It's override in full force, pushing reckless decisions. Rule 4. After a loss, wait 30 minutes. If that feels hard, size was too big. Urge to re-enter signals revenge mode. Urge shows you exceeded the threshold. Use a fixed, low risk percent per trade to stay below it. No mindset hacks needed. Risk small. Entries are automatic. Stops feel like decisions. Profit feels like process. No emotion, just execution. If you feel hope, fear, or excitement, size is too big. Keep risk boring, and controlled. If you cannot see the link, check your subscription and refresh the page.